Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to turn on off auto correction on Android mobile. You can apply same tips and tricks any kind of Android devices. So let's start as a mobile screen. Before start the mobile screen, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your setting app. Inside the setting, you need to check out where exactly keyboard is available. But if you are not able to find out very easily, so directly search here keyboard. So look at this here, keyboard are come here. So system, language and input. So I simply click here, system, language in input. Look at this here, on screen keyboard, physical keyboard or spell check. So you just simply click here and look at this here, spell check, use spell checker. I don't want use spell checker itself auto correction of the spelling. So I turn off and that's it. It's very simple to disable auto correction on any Android devices. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.